CaCO3 contains dash 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 percent of Ca by weight. A 40, B 48, C 96, D 12. The correct answer is 40. Solutions which distill without change in composition are called A. Ideal, B. Saturated, C. Supersaturated, D. Azeotropic. The correct answer is azeotropic. Gases having same reduced temperatures and reduced pressures. A. Deviate from ideal gas behavior to the same degree. B. Have nearly the same compressibility factor. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following is not a unit of pressure? A. Torr, B. Newton m2, C. Parsec, D. Atha, bar or Pascal. The correct answer is parsec. The evaporation of aqueous solution of sugar causes its molarity to A. Decrease, B. Increase, B. Remain unchanged, C. Either A or B, depends on the concentration of the solution, D. The correct answer is remain unchanged. 1 Newton is equal to dash 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 dynes. A 10-2, B 10-3, C 10-4, D 10-5. The correct answer is 10-5. A very dilute solution is prepared by dissolving x1 mole of solute in x2 mole of a solvent. The mole fraction of solute is approximately equal to A x1 x2, B x2 x1, C1 x1 x2, D1/x2. The correct answer is x1 x2. An ideal gas can be liquefied because A. Its molecular size is very small, B. Its critical temperature is more than 0 degrees C. C. Forces operative between its molecules are negligible, D. It gets solidified directly without becoming liquid. The correct answer is forces operative between its molecules are negligible. The rate of material dash 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 is 0 in case of a steady state system. A. Accumulation, B. Production, C. Input, D. Generation. The correct answer is accumulation. A metal oxide is reduced by heating it in a stream of hydrogen. After complete reduction, it is found that 3.15 grams of the oxide has yielded 1.05 grams of the metal. It may be inferred that the A. Atomic weight of the metal is 4. B. Equivalent weight of the metal is 4. C. Atomic weight of the metal is 2. D. Equivalent weight of the metal is 8. The correct answer is equivalent weight of the metal is 4. Molar heat capacity of water in equilibrium with ice at constant pressure is A. 0, B, C. 1, D. None of these. The correct answer is if pH value of a solution is 8, then its pOH value will be A. 6, B. 1, C. 7, D. 10. The correct answer is 6. The chemical nature of an element is independent of A. its atomic number, B. the number of protons or electrons present in it, C. the number of neutrons present in it, D. none of these. The correct answer is the number of neutrons present in it. The heat change for the reaction Cs plus 2 S's Cs2L is 104.2 kJ. It represents the heat of A. formation, B. solution, C. combustion, D. fusion. The correct answer is formation. A sample of well water contains 140 gmm3 Ca2+ ions and 345 gmm3 Na+ ions. The hardness of the sample of water, expressed in terms of equivalent CaCO3 in gmm3, is assuming atomic masses of Ca 40, Na 23, C 12, O 16. A 350, B 485, C 140, D 345. The correct answer is 350. Assuming that CO2 obeys perfect gas law, calculate the density of CO2 in kgm3 at 263 degrees Celsius and 2 atm. A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 2. 1 micron is equal to A 10 to 4 mm, B 10 to 4 cm, C 10 to 6 m, D both AB and C. The correct answer is both AB and C. Heat capacity of air can be approximately expressed as Cp is equal to 26.693 plus 7.365 x 10³ T, where Cp is in J mole, K and T is in K. The heat given off by 1 mole of air when cooled at atmospheric pressure from 500 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius is A 10.73 kJ, B 16.15 kJ, C 18.11 kJ, D 18.33 kJ. The correct answer is 18.11 kJ. Gases diffuse faster compared to liquids because of the reason that the liquid molecules A are held together by stronger intermolecular forces, B move faster, C have no definite shape, D are heavier. The correct answer is are held together by stronger intermolecular forces. Equal masses of CH4 and H2 are mixed in an empty container. The partial pressure of hydrogen in this container expressed as the fraction of total pressure is A 1/9, B 8/9, C 1/2, D 5/9. The correct answer is 8/9. Which of the following is not a colligative property? A. Osmotic pressure, B. Depression of freezing point, C. Lowering of vapor pressure, D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Atoms of the same element, but of different masses are called A. Isobars, B. Isotones, C. Isotopes, D. None of these. The correct answer is isotopes. If pH value of an acidic solution is decreased from 5 to 2, then the increase in its hydrogen ion concentration is dash, 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 times A 10, B 100, C 1000, D 10,000. The correct answer is 1000. Kopps rule is concerned with the calculation of A. Thermal conductivity, B. Heat capacity, C. Viscosity, D. Surface tension. The correct answer is heat capacity. Density of carbon dioxide is dash, 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 kgNm3. A 44,22400, B 44/22.4, C 22.444, D. None of these. The correct answer is 44/22.4. Pick out the wrong statement. A. The effect of pressure on heat capacity of gases at pressure above 1 atmosphere and above the critical temperature is negligible. B. The value of Cp of gases increases with increase in pressure above atmospheric pressure. C. The value of Cp at critical temperature and pressure reaches infinity. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is the effect of pressure on heat capacity of gases at pressure above 1 atmosphere and above the critical temperature is negligible. In case of a ternary system involving two liquid components and a solute, the ratio of the concentration of the solute in the two phases at equilibrium is called the distribution coefficient. The distribution coefficient depends upon the A. Solute concentration, B. Temperature, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Solution made by dissolving equimolar amounts of different solutes in the same amount of a given solvent will have the A. Same elevation in boiling point, B. Different elevation in boiling point, C. Elevation in boiling point in the ratio of their molecular weights, D. None of these. The correct answer is same elevation in boiling point. N2 content in a urea sample was found to be only 42%. What is the actual urea content of the sample? Molecular weight of urea is equal to 60, A. 80%, B. 90%, C. 95%, D. 98%. The correct answer is 90%. Specific gravity on API scale is given by the relation where G is equal to specific gravity at 15.5 degrees C. A degree API is equal to 200 G, 1. B degree API is equal to 141.5 G, 131.5. C degree API is equal to 140/G, 130. D degree API is equal to 145, 145/G. The correct answer is degree API is equal to 141.5 G, 131.5. S.T.P corresponds to A1 atm, absolute pressure and 15.5 degrees C. B 760 mm Hg gauge pressure and 15.5 degrees C. C 760 torr and 0 degrees C. D 101.325 kPa gauge pressure and 15.5 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 1 atm, absolute pressure and 15.5 degrees Celsius. With rise in pressure, the solubility of gases in solvent, at a fixed temperature, A increases, B decreases, C remains unchanged, D decreases linearly. The correct answer is increases. Pick out the wrong statement. A reduced temperature of a substance is the ratio of its existing temperature to its critical temperature, both expressed on Celsius scale. B reduced pressure is the ratio of the existing pressure of a substance to its critical pressure. C reduced volume is the ratio of the existing molar volume of a substance to its critical molar volume. D none of these. The correct answer is reduced temperature of a substance is the ratio of its existing temperature to its critical temperature, both expressed on Celsius scale. Vapor pressure of water at 100 degrees Celsius is about dash, 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 bar. A 0.1013, B 1.013, C 10.13, D 101.3. The correct answer is 1.013. At room temperature, the product H plus O in a solution is 10th to 14th moles liter. If O is equal to 10 to 6 moles liter, then the pH of the solution will be A6, B8, C10, D12. The correct answer is 8. A solution is made by dissolving 1 kilomole of solute in 2000 kilograms of solvent. The molality of the solution is A2, B1, C 0.5, D 0.5. The correct answer is 0.5. Average molecular weight of air is about A 21, B 29, C 23, D 79. The correct answer is 29. 6 grams of magnesium atomic weight is equal to 24, reacts with excess of an acid, the amount of H2 produced will be dash, 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 gm. A 0.5, B1, C3, D5. The correct answer is 0.5. Pick out the wrong unit conversion of calorific value. A 1 kilocalorie per kilogram is equal to 1.8 BTU pound is equal to 4.186 kg. B1 BTU feed 3 is equal to 8.9 Cul M3 is equal to 0.038 mjm3. C1 BTU pound is equal to 2.3 Cul kg. D1 Cul M3 is equal to 0.1124 BTU feed 3. The correct answer is 1 BTU pound is equal to 2.3 kilocalories per kilogram. Increasing the temperature of an aqueous solution will cause decrease in its A. molality, B. mole fraction, C. weight percent, D. molarity. The correct answer is molarity. The activity coefficient of a solution, which accounts for the departure of liquid phase from ideal solution behavior. A. measures the elevation in boiling point. B. is not dependent on the temperature. C. is a function of the liquid phase composition. D. measures the depression in freezing point. The correct answer is a function of the liquid phase composition. Osmotic pressure of a dilute solution of a non-volatile solute in a solvent obeying Raoults law is proportional to the A. temperature, B. volume of solution, C. moles of non-volatile solute, D. none of these. The correct answer is temperature. In case of an unsaturated vapor-gas mixture, the humid volume increases with increase in the A. total pressure, B. absolute humidity at a given temperature, C. both A and B, D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following is an exothermic reaction? A. conversion of graphite to diamond, B. decomposition of water, C. dehydrogenation of ethane to ethylene, D. none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Heat of solution in a system in which both solute and solvent are liquids is termed as A. heat of solvation, B. heat of hydration, C. standard integral heat of solution, D. heat of mixing. The correct answer is heat of mixing. 1 kg FCm2 is not equal to A. 1 torr, B. 1 bar, C. 10,000 mm Wz, D. 100 kPa is equal to 100,000 Nm2. The correct answer is 1 torr. Pick out the wrong statement. A. heat capacity of a diatomic gas is higher than that of a monoatomic gas. B. equal volumes of argon and krypton contain equal number of atoms. C. total number of molecules contained in 22.4 liters of hydrogen at N.T.P. is 6.023 x 1023. D. the binary mixture of a particular compositidine in both vapor and liquid state is known as an azeotropic mixture. The correct answer is equal volumes of argon and krypton contain equal number of atoms. On addition of 1 cc of dilute hydrochloric acid 1% concentration to 80 cc of a buffer solution of pH is equal to 4, the pH of the solution becomes A1, B8, C4, D2. The correct answer is 4. The weight fraction of methanol in an aqueous solution is 0.64. The mole fraction of methanol xm satisfies AXM 0.5. BXM is equal to 0.5. C 0.5. XM 0.64. DXM 0.64. The correct answer is XM 0.64.